Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to master the art of flirting? Today, we're revealing proven strategies to win hearts and make a lasting impression. First, confidence is key. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Confidence is attractive and sets the stage for successful flirting. Next, use body language. Subtle touches, open posture, and leaning in show interest and create a connection. Give sincere compliments. Genuine praise about their appearance or personality can make someone feel special and appreciated. Be playful. Light teasing and playful banter can create a fun and flirty atmosphere. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what they say by asking questions and responding thoughtfully. Use humor. Sharing a laugh can break the ice and create a bond. Just keep it light and appropriate. Mirror their actions. Subtly mimicking their body language and gestures can create a sense of familiarity and connection. Show your interest. Let them know you're interested through your words and actions. Be clear but not overwhelming. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. When you're true to yourself, it shows confidence and sincerity. Respect boundaries. Pay attention to their cues and respect their personal space. This shows maturity and consideration. Finally, follow up. Send a thoughtful message or plan a follow-up meeting to keep the connection alive. Thank you for watching. Flirting is about being confident, genuine, and respectful. We hope these strategies help you make meaningful connections. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Comment below with your thoughts and tips.